Hey everyone, and welcome back for another deep dive. I'm super pumped for this one because we are talking AI.
AI is definitely having a moment, isn't it?
It really is, and especially this ChatGPT thing,
Yeah. ChatGPT is,
which is what we're talking about today.
that's right.
There was an article that just dropped today, January 9th, 2025, from TechCrunch, written by Kyle Wiggers, all about how we can now personalize our ChatGPT experience.
It's really interesting
Yeah.
how OpenAI is sort of pushing the boundaries on this one.
So we're going to deep dive into this article and try and understand like what this means.
Yeah. What does it mean to personalize?
What does it, yeah,
To your AI.
and is it really like shaping the AI's personality, or is that just
Yeah.
marketing?
It's a good question.
So let's jump right in.
Yeah, let's get into it.
Okay, so the article talks about a revamped custom instructions menu.
Right.
What is that all about?
So basically, they're giving users the ability to give ChatGPT very specific instructions, but about themselves.
Wow.
So, think of it like you're filling out a bio,
Okay.
but
Yeah.
for your AI buddy, right? So you can
Yeah.
tell it, what you prefer to be called.
Okay.
You can tell it what you do for a living.
Uh-huh.
Little details that you want it to know about you.
Like I'm a vegetarian or
Sure.
Right.
Or I prefer to, receive information in bullet points as opposed to paragraphs.
And it gets even weirder
Well, yeah,
because you can choose personality traits for ChatGPT.
that's right.
The article gives examples like chatty, encouraging, or even Gen Z.
Right. And, I can see how this could be really useful, like say for you as a writer. You could, tell ChatGPT to adopt a Hemingway-esque style.
To listen to the full podcast episode, please follow the link in the bio. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.